Alright guys, here's part two. So we got the Coleman Mach 3 lined up here on the roof. What you see is this is the box that I had previously installed on the other one, which is the thermostat. Part of the power, everything else that kind of relays back into the new unit. That's hardwired into the rig itself that you see right here on this wire. Here in a minute I got to put in this wire that's hanging down here, this one. That's the thermostat that will actually go into, let's see if I can get a good picture up in here. Let's see those fins? It's got to set up in there to tell the type of temperature and when to kick on and kick off. As you see, there is a gap, and I'll go ahead and put this up there. You're actually looking outside. So what you see that I got going on here is those screws. There's 4 that you see hanging down right here. It's simply using a socket, and this is a 5/16 socket, and tightening it down. And what you want to do is, I'll go ahead and show you this one because I've pretty much done. So I want you guys to pay attention here. This gasket that you see right here, right here, you want to make sure it's even all the way around as you're pulling, as it's sucking it down to the actual frame. See how the light's going away? It's actually squeezing down onto the roof of the RV. And you want to make sure you do the same thing all the way around. Alright, next, once I get that put in there, is I have this division shield. You see this little rail right here. Well, this division shield that you see will actually be put up in there, and what that does is it will divide the, let me get some more lighting up in here. It will divide the air coming in, going over to the evaporator coils, being pushed out with this new motor bent down. Very important on this side note is when you are getting this installed, you want to make sure when you're putting that shroud on to separate that you're using that aluminum like ducting tape. That way it's completely sealed, because even just a minute hole, you've probably seen the research out there, it'll do a vacuum, and actually you're losing probably 5 to 10 degrees in temperature. So this is kind of where I'm at now. I will be back here shortly and let you guys know the outcome once I get that power and everything back on. But pretty much it. 2-person job. Simply got it done. Alright, stay tuned, folks.